Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur on the authority of Hari Vamsha, which is written by Vyasadeva. So this is the words of our Gurudev, or our Param Guru in the case may be. He's telling us that there's two Krishnas. Why are there two Krishnas? And why was Vasudeva Krishna born to Devaki and Vasudeva? You know now? You understand? Sri Rupa Goswami also discusses this birth pastime of Krishna in the Laghu Bhagavatamrita. Part 1, Chapter 5, verses 454 to 56. He says, Rupa Goswami Pad, in ancient times, devotees have said that the Lord appeared in his Vasudeva feature in the home of Vasudeva Maharaj. And at the same time, in his original form, Swayam Bhagavan, in his original form of Krishna, he appeared in the village of Braj, specifically Gokul in the forests of Mahavan. Rupa Goswami goes on. In this way, these devotees have said that Sri Krishna and Yogamaya were the twin children of Yashoda and Brajabhumi. Mother Yashoda and Nanda Maharaj, Yashoda had two children, Yogamaya and Krishna. When Maharaj Vasudeva arrived in Brajabhumi, he entered Yashoda Devi's maternity room. He saw Yashoda's daughter and took her and returned with her to Mathura. Everyone knows that. The Vasudeva expansion, this is an important point. The Vasudeva expansion, in other words, the Vasudeva Krishna, that Maharaj Vasudeva was carrying with him, entered the body of Sri Krishna. He entered the body of Sri Krishna, who had just taken birth as the son of Yashoda, Yashodanandan. In this way, the two forms of Vasudeva and Krishna became one. The Vasudeva Krishna is one form, and the Yashodanandan Krishna is another. They became one. What one? The two-armed one, with Mamsi. Because this pastime is very confidential, it is not related in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Nevertheless, Shukadeva Goswami and other great devotees have indirectly described it in some of their writings. There's also Leela. There's one chapter in here about the birth of Krishna, his actual birth ceremony. Another chapter about his birthday, because every year he had a birthday, right? Not every year he was born. He was born the first year in Vrindavan, and then for 10 years after that he had a birthday every year for 10 years. Then he went to Mathura. So really, in one sense, we're not celebrating the birth of Krishna, we're celebrating his birthday. Because he's not born today. Is he born today? Maybe in some material universe where his Nitya Leela is going on, certainly yes. But on our planet, he's not born today. Today he's 5,011 years or 12, whatever it is, they calculate.